Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am E.G. Ibation, 37 years old, married with one child, son, 14 years old. My school attainment is high school graduate.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and I am the eldest.
Can you please tell me about your working experience?
My work experience is first in Qatar since 2018 to 2021. My duties there is to take care of the babies. And I also do the household chore like ironing, cleaning, washing clothes, and do the household chore.
Do you have any experience in another country?
Yeah, my second experience is in Saudi. I serve one couple with 5 children. I take care of the 5-year-old baby and do also the household chore like washing clothes, ironing, cleaning.
Do you also marketing? Do marketing?
No,
Car washing? How about car washing?
no, sir.
Okay. Do you cook?
I assist my madam for
Okay.
cooking.
What will you do if the baby will cry?
If the baby will cry, I will check the diaper if it's wet. And then if the baby will not stop crying, I will feed with milk and lastly check the temperature.
What if the children is naughty and not listening to you? What will you do?
If the baby is naughty, I will them to uh, accounting numbers and sing alphabet.
Do you have a good patient for them, for childrens?
Yeah, my
Okay. How about if you have homesick? What will you do?
again sir. If I feel homesick, I will do the household chore with my heart and treat my employer as my family
What is your reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
to provide financially for my family and to my son.
Who will take care of your children if you go to Hong Kong?
My parents.
Could you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Please sing it.
Are you happy and you know just clap your hands? Are you happy and you know just clap your hands? Are you happy and you know and you feel you surely show? Are you happy and you know just clap your hands?
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you allergic to any food?
No.
What food can you cook?
Filipino food.
Are you willing to learn Chinese food? Chinese cook?
Yes,
Chinese food?
sir. Yes, sir.
Can you accept no day off? Paid by your employer?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to clean the car with extra pay?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise to cut your hair short before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any tattoo on your body?
Yes, I have, sir.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to hair coloring and nail art?
Yes, sir.
Lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
Hi to my future employer. Please hire me as your helper. I am honest, cheerful, and helpful person. I can work under pressure and I'm willing to learn and follow employer's instruction. I promise to finish my 2 years contract and as long as my employers need me. I will treat my employers as my own family, hoping for your positive feedback. Thank you.
Thank you. See you in Hong Kong.